Welcome back, everyone. Today, Dr. Esma is about to reveal dentist care secrets so simple and so powerful that your smile might feel brand new before we even reach the halfway mark. And trust me, you've never heard them explained like this. Get ready for a few surprises.
Rasim, the fun part is how small habits change everything. People think transformations need complicated procedures, but some of the most dramatic improvements come from techniques they already know. Just perform the right way. And yes, we're going to expose a few myths that even seasoned patients get wrong.
You know, Dr. Esma, people always tell me they brush twice a day, yet still feel their smile looks tired. It's like they're doing everything right, but something's missing. I hear stories about rushed mornings, quick brushing while grabbing keys or skipping floss because it's already late. These tiny shortcuts stack up.
Exactly, Rasim. Most people underestimate how much technique outperforms effort. You can brush for years yet miss the real trouble spots, and sensitivity, staining, or dullness often come from patterns people don't even know they have. Once they see how small adjustments reshape results, everything clicks.
So, Dr. Esma, this is where things really hit home. People think a brighter smile is just vanity, but the truth is bigger. Confidence, first impressions, even how relaxed you feel when speaking, all of it shifts when your teeth look and feel healthy. I remember someone telling me they always covered their mouth in photos, not because of major issues, but tiny flaws that quietly ate at their confidence.
Yes, Razim. And those tiny flaws often come from daily habits that slowly dull the smile's natural brightness. When patients finally learn what to adjust, the transformation isn't just visual, it's emotional. I've seen people walk out glowing because they realize they finally have control over their dental health.
Dr. Esma, people always assume dentist care is complicated, but the real story is hidden in the small patterns you've studied for years. And the numbers are wild. Most people miss nearly a third of their tooth surfaces without even realizing it. I remember someone telling me they brushed every day, yet still battled discoloration because their brushing angle was off by just a few degrees.
Exactly, Razim. I once had a patient who felt frustrated for years, thinking professional cleanings were their only hope. But with a quick technique correction, their stains reduced dramatically in 6 weeks. It's empowering to show people that results don't always require drastic interventions. Sometimes it's just precision.
Dr. Esma, let's peel back the curtain a bit. People love quick wins, but the science behind these instant transformations is actually fascinating. Enamel, for example, responds differently depending on pH changes, timing, and even the texture of what you're using to clean it. And when those variables align just right, the smile brightens faster than most people expect.
Exactly, Rasim. Most people don't realize enamel is the hardest tissue in the body, yet extremely sensitive to acidic environments. When pH dips, minerals weaken. When it recovers, remineralization kicks in. Those small behavior shifts, like spacing brushing from acidic drinks, can dramatically change outcomes.
Alright, Dr. Esma, this is the moment everyone waits for, the actual steps that make a smile transform fast. Let's lay it out clearly. First, people need a routine that doesn't just feel good, but actually hits every critical area. Think hunger, pressure, timing.
Exactly, Rasim. Here's the streamlined version. Step 1. Tilt the brush 45 degrees toward the gum line. Step 2. Use small circular motions, not horizontal scrubbing. Step 3. Give each quadrant at least 30 seconds of focused attention. And Step 4. Finish with gentle tongue cleaning to reduce bacterial buildup.
Now, Dr. Esma, before people rush off to transform their smile, we should talk about the classic mistakes that quietly sabotage progress. One big one I've seen is people brushing way too hard, thinking force equals cleaner teeth. Spoiler alert, it doesn't. It just wears things down.
You're right, Razim. Overbrushing can cause enamel abrasion and gum recession, which are much harder to fix than people realize. Another caution, avoid brushing immediately after acidic drinks because enamel softens temporarily. And here's a final don't. Don't skip interdental cleaning. Floss or alternatives reach areas no brush can.